Hey everybody, this is Sonny Ahuja. Let's talk about broken links. So, a broken link is a link on a website that no longer leads to the content that it's supposed to be referencing, which means when someone clicks on a link that is on your website, it does not take them anywhere. They're not able to see what they were meant to see by clicking on that link. Now, that definitely goes against search engine optimization strategies because search engines don't like broken links. Google doesn't like broken links. So you shouldn't have any broken links in your website. So there's two kinds of broken links mainly. One, that are internal, which means when you have a link from one page to another page within your website. So maybe you have a blog post that links to a service page of your site or vice versa. That link can get broken, which means now when someone clicks on that link, they will not go to the page they're supposed to go. Now that can be because of a typo. It can be a typo mistake. Maybe the link was pointing to an image or maybe a video or maybe an entire page that was deleted from the website. Maybe there was a page on a certain service that you don't provide anymore and you told your website company to delete that page. So all links pointing to that particular page became broken on your website, which means now you need to fix them. Maybe one of the pages or its URL was renamed by you or somebody to improve search engine rankings. I see that happen all the time when businesses will go in their website and change the URL. Now what that does is when they change the URL with a search phrase in it, I understand that is to help the page rank higher. But then if other pages were linked to that page previously, those links will break. They will not work anymore. So before you change the URL of a page, you should make sure you first know which all pages are linking to that page, and then you can go back in those links and change the URL to the new URL. Okay, so that often happens. Now this is something you can control because it's within your website. But what about external links? Which means what about links that are going to a different website? Maybe you wrote a blog post and then in that blog post, you used certain demographics, you used certain data, and then you said to see more, or this is where I got the data from, and link it to maybe a page on Forbes or another website. And that page gets deleted after a few weeks or months. So if you are pointing to other websites from your website and those sites, those pages get deleted, you cannot control it. The only thing you can do is, in that case, find those broken links that are pointing to the websites that are not in your control and change them, change those links and maybe the verbiage around that link to something that you have control over, or maybe a different website. Again, if the link is pointing to a different site that you have no control over, you will need to change that to one of the pages on your own website maybe, or another website. And if these are internal links, then you have more control. Either ways, they need to be fixed. Now, here's how you can find broken links. So there's a website, it's called brokenlinkcheck.com. that I have used in past. You can put your website's domain name here and click on find broken links. And this site will show you the broken links that your website has. Or you can Google free broken link checker and then find some other websites. This is a really good one, Ahrefs. You can go there and then you can add your website's domain, your website's name, your URL, and let that run, and they'll show you all the broken links on your website. And of course, then you need to get them fixed.